Have you been feeling like your legs aren't as strong as they used to be? Maybe getting up from a chair takes a little more effort than it should. If you're over 60, this isn't just getting older. It could be an early sign of something called muscle loss, and it's more common than you think. Just ask John, 68, a retired school principal who always prided himself on staying active. One day, he noticed it took 2 tries to get up from his recliner, and the stairs felt steeper than usual. He brushed it off, but deep down he knew something was off. Here's the important part: it's not permanent. In fact, there's a simple food that can help turn it around even if you're in your 70s. You see, muscle loss with age isn't just about wear and tear. It's actually tied to something deeper called anabolic resistance. That's a fancy way of saying your body becomes less responsive to the protein and nutrients you eat. So even if you've been eating well or staying active, your muscles might not be getting the message to stay strong. But here's the good news: your body can bounce back. The key is knowing how to feed your muscles the right way. In today's video, we're diving into one powerhouse food that helps fight muscle loss naturally. It's affordable, nutrient-dense, and just a couple servings a week can make a big difference. If this resonates with you, hit that subscribe button and join our Vital 365 community. And tell us in the comments, have you noticed changes in your strength or balance lately? Your story might help someone else. Now let's talk about what's really happening inside your muscles. Most people never hear about this until it's already impacted their life. Anabolic resistance. It sounds technical, but the impact is very real. You might have felt it the moment walking upstairs feels harder, or your legs start shaking after a short walk. At first, you brush it off. Just aging, right? But what if it's not? What if your muscles are still trying to respond, but they're not getting the signal? Anabolic resistance is a shift that reduces how your muscles respond to food and movement. Even if you're eating plenty of protein or staying active, your muscles might not be able to absorb and use those nutrients like they used to. This silent change is the root of sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And it doesn't just take away your strength, it can slowly chip away at your balance, mobility, and independence. The hardest part: it sneaks in. Grocery bags start to feel heavier. Climbing stairs gets harder. You didn't change, but your muscles did. That's exactly what John experienced. He hadn't changed his routine, but his body felt different. It wasn't until his doctor mentioned the term anabolic resistance that it all clicked. The great news: this can be reversed even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. With the right kinds of nutrients, especially amino acids and high-quality protein, you can switch back on your body's muscle-building process. Your strength isn't gone, it's just waiting for the right spark. Let's talk about one of those sparks next: insulin sensitivity. Because if your muscles aren't absorbing nutrients properly, this could be the missing link. You've probably heard of insulin in the context of blood sugar and diabetes, but what most people don't realize is that insulin plays a key role in muscle growth too. When we're young, our bodies respond to insulin quickly and efficiently. Insulin acts like a delivery driver. It helps shuttle protein and amino acids into your muscle cells, where they're used to repair and rebuild. But as we age, insulin sensitivity naturally declines. That means even if you're eating enough protein, your muscles might not be absorbing it well. Imagine ordering building materials for your house, but the truck never arrives. That's what happens when insulin isn't doing its job. The result? You start losing muscle, you recover more slowly, and it feels like your body isn't responding even when you're doing everything right. The good news: you can improve insulin sensitivity, often with just a few changes. Cutting back on sugar, avoiding ultra-processed carbs, and focusing on whole nutrient-rich foods can make a big difference. When insulin works better, your muscles finally get the nutrition they've been missing. Picture this: your muscles are like a sponge. Insulin is the water. If the sponge is stiff and dry, nothing soaks in. But when insulin sensitivity improves, it's like softening the sponge. Suddenly it absorbs, and your muscles start responding again. Now let's zoom in on a specific piece of the puzzle. one small but powerful amino acid that your muscles absolutely depend on, especially after 60. It's called leucine. Leucine is what we call the spark plug for muscle growth. Without it, your body can't fully trigger the process of muscle repair, even if you're eating plenty of protein. As we get older, our bodies become less efficient at turning protein into muscle. That's where leucine comes in. It activates something called mTOR, a pathway that tells your muscles, hey, it's time to grow. Without enough leucine, that signal stays quiet and your muscles stay in maintenance mode. So, where can you find leucine? Fortunately, it's in many high-protein foods like eggs, chicken, fish, dairy, and especially grass-fed beef liver. Just 100 grams of beef liver contains nearly 2.9 grams of leucine, one of the highest natural sources out there. Back to John. After learning about leucine, he started including small portions of beef liver into his meals just twice a week. Within a month, he felt stronger getting out of his chair and the stairs, no longer intimidating. This is why many older adults feel frustrated they're eating well, but not seeing results. Often the missing piece isn't more protein, it's the right kind of protein, the kind that's rich in leucine. So here's a quick check-in. Are you getting foods high in leucine into your meals every day? If not, that one change might be exactly what your body's been waiting for. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried beef liver or whey protein. We'd love to hear what's worked for you. So, what's the one food that can help reverse muscle loss, even if you're in your 70s or beyond? It's not some pricey powder or trendy supplement. It's something real natural and incredibly nutrient-dense grass-fed beef liver. Now, I know just hearing the word liver might make some people hesitate. It's not exactly a dinner table favorite. But what if I told you that just a small serving could deliver exactly what your aging muscles are begging for? Beef liver is one of the most powerful natural muscle-building foods available. First, it's packed with leucine, about 2.9 grams per 100 grams. That's more than enough to flip your body's mTOR switch and activate real muscle repair. But that's just scratching the surface. It's also incredibly rich in vitamin B12, which supports energy and red blood cell production, so your body stays energized and your muscles get the oxygen they need. Then there's iron, which helps your cells generate energy and supports endurance. And when you choose grass-fed liver, you're getting those nutrients in their cleanest, most absorbable form, no hormones, no weird additives. Just food the way nature intended. And John, he found an easy way to make it work. Twice a week, he sautéed a few slices with onions and garlic. At first, he wasn't sure he'd stick with it, but within a few weeks, his legs felt steadier. His wife even noticed he was walking faster during their morning strolls. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to eat liver every day. Just once or twice a week can make a noticeable difference in strength, balance, and confidence. And if the flavor isn't for you, there are other options. You can blend it into ground beef dishes, add it to meatloaf, or take it freeze-dried in capsule form. However you get it in, your muscles will know. Now, let's talk about something just as important as what you eat when you eat it. See, most people don't realize that the timing of protein intake plays a big role in how well your body builds and maintains muscle, especially as we get older. Think of your muscles like a plant. Dump all the water at once and most of it runs off. But give it smaller doses throughout the day and it soaks and grows strong. Your muscles work the same way. One of the best times to feed them, first thing in the morning. After a night of fasting, your body's ready to absorb nutrients. Giving it around 30 grams of protein with 2.5 grams of leucine in your first meal can jumpstart muscle protein synthesis and put your body into growth mode. But here's where a lot of people go wrong, saving most of their protein for dinner. That strategy misses the window when your body is most ready to use it. Instead, spread your protein out evenly across the day at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That might look like breakfast eggs with spinach or a protein smoothie, lunch grilled chicken, tuna, or lentil salad, dinner baked fish beans, or a small serving of beef liver. And if you're adding movement, daily walk stretches, light strength training, your muscles will make even better use of that protein. Are you currently eating protein with breakfast, or do you usually wait until lunch or dinner? Let us know in the comments. You might be surprised how much this one simple change can impact how you feel. Let's take a moment to appreciate something most people never think about. Your muscles aren't just about strength. They're one of your body's most important tools for long-term health. Muscle is your internal engine. It burns more calories than fat even when you're doing nothing. That means the more muscle you maintain, the more energy your body uses even while you're sitting, resting, or watching television. That's why people with more muscle tend to have less belly fat, better blood sugar control, and lower risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. But the benefits go way beyond metabolism. Muscle helps protect your bones, improves your balance, and lowers your risk of falls and fractures, which are some of the biggest threats to independence as we age. In fact, studies show that muscle mass is one of the strongest predictors of healthy aging and longevity. And it doesn't stop there. Your muscles even support your brain. Yes, really, resistance training and physical activity are linked to sharper thinking, better memory, and a lower risk of cognitive decline. Every time you lift a weight or squat to pick something up, you're not just strengthening your body, you may also be protecting your mind. Just like John. 3 months into his new routine, adding protein in the morning, eating beef liver twice a week, and walking after dinner, he wasn't just feeling stronger. He said his focus improved, and his afternoon brain fog was almost gone. Think about it. What would more strength mean in your life right now? Would it help you carry groceries without strain? Get up from your favorite chair without needing support? Take longer walks without feeling wiped out? Let us know in the comments, because your insight might help someone else realize they're not alone and that there is something they can do about it. Now let's bring it all together with a few simple steps you can start today. Add leucine-rich foods like grass-fed beef liver into your meals once or twice a week. Aim for 30 grams of protein at each meal, especially breakfast. Move daily, even if it's just a walk, light stretching, or gentle strength training. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Your muscles are still listening. They're just waiting for the right signal. And remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're 60, 70, or even 80, these small changes can lead to big improvements in strength, energy, and independence. If today's video gave you hope or helped you feel more in control, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Vital 365 so you don't miss the next step in your healthy aging journey. And please leave a comment. Your story could be the spark someone else needs. You've got this. Take care and keep moving forward.